it has comes with a closure too. This color is also nice. Have hair. Guys, we're trying to shop for, this is art, but everything is giving 1980s. Let's go and get kwa maji. So guys, that's Panda. We're going in. And this is the outfit.
Oh, laundry basket for
Yes. So we're here. Mimi nataka. Ini cute. So guys, we're at Mart. We're trying to shop for some things. And this is my cat. This is my cat. Kind of cute. So it collapses. Any small rice cooker. I don't think I need a rice cooker. An insulation heating pad. It's $50. So I've made making this. This is bigger. Guys, you know I needed a pillar and it's only 120 shillings and I'm not gonna buy it. This is like cake mold, like a donut like. So many different ones. This one. So you see this is plastic still. So really cute. This is the only thing I've liked from here. This for refrigerator and it's so expensive. But why is everything I like expensive? $17.50. Okay. This is nice. It's plastic but not really plastic. This is completely plastic. I like this because you can do like this. Put on your cream. Around. What about her? This is glass, it's $4.50. This is cute. This is glassware. And it's small, so small. So small. This is a big one. This one is Minimum like the anime. Thank you. In how much? In 900. Wanna cute hapa. This is the only thing I've seen cute. 990. 990. 990. You know, cute. Aesthetic. 1.5. It's plastic. The tumblers that are here, they're giving 1990. 1990. Maybe. Guys, there's so many laundry basket, and I need a laundry basket. How much is this? Oh my god, no way. This is 3,000. 3,120 Kenyan shillings. See this one? This is what I need. But it's so expensive. Or even this one, much better. But it's 3,050. This small one is 2,600. No way. Then this tool. No way. This tool is 1,000 shillings for a stool. I'm gonna get a drill, but look at this price, guys. Look at this price. This is what I want to get because I'm tired. I want to hang my paintings. Guys, we're trying to shop for, this is art, but everything is giving 1980s. Everything is giving 1980s. Like, this is not my style at all. There's a lot of plastics and they're really expensive. I don't know why plastic is expensive. Anyway, I think I haven't gotten anything. Yeah, the only expensive thing I want to buy is, if it's not food or basic necessity, I ain't buying. Economic cost of living is so high, so I have to be careful what I want to get. This is the only painting I've almost liked. Yeah. Yes, and you know how much it is? 3,000. Mirror, whatever. This one big, floor to ceiling. 2,600. Hiyo nayo ni poa, si ndio? There's also so this is hair. They also have hair. This, when I was in working, this is what I used to wear. 12 inches 630. I take it to my stylist, and I used to make sure I get this exact style like the lady on the model here. I used to like this hair so much. This one is also good. And this one, they also have hair. This one has closure and it's 1030, 1070. This is nice. This is nice color. See? Tango free. This is nice. See? This one is nice. It comes with a closure too. This color is also nice. This color is also nice. This color or this color. This is nice and it's so cheap. It will last you maybe 1 month alone. This one, a pack of 8. A pack of 8. A pack of 6 bundles. 2,200. Okay, guys. This is the only thing I like. Or maybe I like hair so much. This is nice. I like this. But I think you'll need more than one piece. You need 4 piece or 3 piece. This is nice. Nice. There's also dreadlocks. So there's wig. Those are weaves, this is wig. These are wig, it's a whole unit. Of course it's synthetic. And this one, it's a lace wig. It's 3,000. So it looks not bad, not bad. Like solar panels. That the same price, 3,200. TV and things like that. That's so underwhelming. So tukae huku.
Oh, laundry basket for me, it was at least unique.
Hapa ndo
But
unafaa
there's
kupiga.
nothing.
So we finish with Panda Mart and surprisingly we have no shopping because it was very underwhelming. Like things that are from 1990s. I can't. So we are here at Panda Mart. We are shopping and we don't know where to start from. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Onesha hizi za